Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful brand new Valiant Lady. This incredible ship has something for everyone. If you're an adult, of course, Virgin is an adults only brand. This particular suite is a brilliant suite. That means you're gonna get all of those awesome Rockstar inclusions. That means that you're gonna really enjoy the ship even more. If you love great food, if you love great design, awesome live music, this could be the perfect product for you. Now I'm gonna take you through the suite here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know with our knowledge and our experience, we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now this brilliant suite is absolutely spectacular. It's a phenomenal amount of space and of course all the wonderful inclusions that you get. Virgin, as I mentioned, is already highly inclusive. In addition to that, you're gonna get all those great suite level amenities that start before you arrive, and then you're also gonna get the one-time bar setup in here and so many more great upgrades. You're gonna be treated like royalty and you're gonna love your time here on board. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now when you walk in the door here, you're gonna have your primary storage. Now you'll see that you've got hanging storage all the way across, full laptop size safe, and you also have drawers down below for storage as well. Now as we step into the bathroom, it's a really nice large space. You'll see the beautiful marble decor. So you've got a large countertop here, you've got a little bit of storage up above, a large backlit mirror, plug for a razor, a little bit more storage underneath, and of course those extra comfy bathrobes. Now you've got the toilet tucked just behind there. Really love that they have that separation. And as we step in, you're gonna find that you have a ton of space in the shower. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I fit just fine in here. Got the rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand, really nice bench to soak. And you're also gonna find those highly upgraded bath amenities. Now as we head into the room proper, you've got a small vanity here where you can sit and get ready. The stool's right underneath, drawers for storage, a US and a European plug. Now over here, you're gonna find your bar setup. Now, being a Rockstar Suite, you do get one setup in there that you'll be able to use throughout your time here on board. And then in here, you've got all your wonderful glassware, you've got the shaker over there, and then you also have a mini fridge, and just underneath, a bit more storage as well. Now, Virgin has been known for music for so many years since Richard Branson started it, and you'll see that I love that they put a record player in here. They also have some great records for you to listen to, fantastic speaker system, and you can really rock out and enjoy your time. Now you have two USB plugs and a US plug just behind, and I also wanted to point out this tablet. Now the tablet can be used to control everything in the suite, from the television to the temperature to the lights to even the curtains. The entire ship is high tech and they also include Wi-Fi for you. Now on either side of the bed, you're gonna have two USB plugs and a US plug, a really wonderful feature. You've got drawers for storage on this side of the bed. The other side, you'll have luggage storage as well. You have that really nice, comfy European king size bed. You've got a large flat panel TV on one side, fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. You got a reading chair over there, and then across, you're gonna find your large sectional sofa. Now this will move around, but you have a nice chaise lounger. You also have a coffee table, and of course, you can take advantage of that phenomenal room service menu. All the food on board the ship is made to order. It's all absolutely delicious, and it's a huge reason why so many of our guests choose Virgin. Now let's head outside and check out the sea terrace. Now as we head out on the sea terrace, you'll see you have two chairs and a nice table here. Perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or of course, it's just a place to sit, read, and relax. Now you do have two doors here. I love that because you can open those up and let the fresh sea air in. You can also sit on their signature hammock right here. You're gonna find these on all the terraces on the ship. So many of our guests love them, they take them home as well. You can imagine sitting out here, whether you're cruising through the Med, the Caribbean, or anywhere in between, sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying your time at sea. You get that wonderful fresh ocean air, and then of course, this incredible ship around you. Now, when you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any cruise with Virgin Voyages, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. Whether it's the Resilient Lady, the Brilliant Lady, the Scarlet Lady, or of course, this Valiant Lady, we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.